In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Venn diagram in Word. Venn diagrams are a simple yet powerful way to visually compare ideas, concepts, or groups by showing their similarities and differences. Whether you're creating a school project, business presentation, or study material, Microsoft Word provides built-in tools that make designing a clean and professional Venn diagram very easy. To get started, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document, or open an existing file where you want to insert the diagram. Once your document is ready, go to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. This is where you'll find tools for adding visual elements to your page. Inside the Insert tab, click on Smart Art. A new window will appear showing different types of graphic layouts. From the list on the left side, select Relationship. This category contains diagram styles that show connections between items. Look for the basic Venn diagram option, then click on it and select OK. Word will immediately insert a Venn diagram into your document, usually with two overlapping circles. You can click inside each circle to type your text. Enter the unique characteristics of each group in the outer sections, and type the shared similarities in the overlapping area. If you need more circles, you can easily add them. Click on the diagram to activate the Smart Art Design tab at the top of the screen. Then choose Add Shape to insert another circle into your diagram. Word will automatically adjust the layout to maintain proper spacing and overlap. To customize the appearance, stay within the Smart Art Design tab. You can change the color scheme by selecting Change Colors and choosing a preset style. You can also explore Smart Art styles to apply different visual effects, such as shadows or outlines. For more detailed formatting, click on the Format tab, where you can manually adjust shape fill, outline color, and text formatting. If you want more control over positioning, you can resize the entire diagram by dragging the corner handles. You can also move it anywhere on the page by clicking and dragging it. Once you've finished editing your content and design, review the diagram to ensure the text is clear and properly aligned. Save your document to keep your changes. And that's how you create a Venn diagram in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.